This is the Modoc Wildlife Reserve area. There's ducks out there. And we stopped to switch because Tammy wants to drive for an hour. And I'm like, that's cool with me. This is the beginning of, I don't know what day at this point. What day of the road trip is it?
It's almost the end.
Almost
Maybe
the
day
end.
9
No.
out of 10 days?
No, it's more than that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. The nice thing is, today is just a straight shot down the 395 after we got to the 395. And that means we're going to have the Sierra to our right. I don't think we're going to make it as far as, like Lone Pine or Bishop. Might make Bishop, maybe. We'll definitely make Mammoth Lakes, if not Bishop. So we will be seeing a lot of PCT hikers because that's about where they're at right now. I think that's where the bubble's at.
Okay, so yesterday I forgot to give a shout out to my very favorite niece, Luna, who had her 12th birthday. So happy birthday, Luna!
Alright, this is Mono Lake. There's a little vista point on the 395 driving in. I actually didn't expect it to be this full because I know LA at one point was using this as a water reservoir, but I don't know if they still are. You can see, if you're looking, you can see the Sierra far, far in the distance. And then I know we're close to Sonora Pass, so that's probably, the trail is probably up there somewhere. Pacific Crest Trail, for those of you who don't know. Many of you do. Okay, so that was a short videoing day. We saw some sights. We were supposed to stay in
Mammoth.
Yeah, Mammoth Lakes Resort, but there was no vacancy at all. Nothing, nada. So we unfortunately had to drive another probably 45 minutes down the road. So we are actually in Bishop. We're at the Vagabond Inn, I want to say. Hey, it's not very pretty, but the rooms are okay. And unfortunately, we don't have the view side, but got the Sierra over here. We walk down to the corner. Oh, someone's grilling in their backyard. Let's join him. And surprisingly, I haven't seen any hikers at Bishop. Maybe I will. There's the Sierra out there. So that's about all I have for you today. Tomorrow's our last day on the road. Probably do some recording, but hopefully something interesting. All right, see you tomorrow. Where do I want to start with this hotel? So even though the Vagabond Inn is very clean, I would not recommend it. And here's why. Unless you like sleeping on concrete, that's fine. And having chiclet pillows. Actually, the pillows weren't too bad. I can't really rag on that. What were the other issues, huh?
The shampoo.
Oh, yeah. You know those little things of shampoo? I won't go in there, sorry. You know those little things of shampoo that they give you? They were like half used. We're like, okay. There's a whole bunch of other things, too.
The television?
Oh, yeah, the TV only has basic channels, but yeah. Anything else?
I don't think there was a whole bunch of things. I think it was the used products and 5 channels.
Yeah.
And a bed that would have been more comfortable. I think I would have preferred camping.
Yeah, on the ground.
To this hotel.
Yeah.
Oh, and the coffee pot. Blah, blah.
And the coffee
Blah,
pot.
blah, blah.
Like she says, blah, blah.
Blah, blah.
And full price, so. Full price. There's a lot of other hotels in Bishop I would try there, but we were desperate because we meant to We meant to stay in Mammoth Lakes, but everything was full, so we just drove to Bishop and took what we could.
Never again.
Oh, well.
Never again take what you can get.
And today is sadly
Our last day.
Our last day, but it'll be nice to be home in our own bed tonight.
Good morning. So I wanted to share some information with you, and do not use Google Maps
If you're ever in Bishop.
in the town of Bishop. When we first arrived, it took us to Vaughn's, which was funny, and we found our way to our hotel. But then this morning, when we were trying to find Starbucks, which was literally across the street, just set back a little bit so we couldn't see it, it took us to Vaughn's.
Again.
So, don't know why, but Google Maps does not like Bishop. All right, there's your infomercial for the day. Thank you.
And the ones on the left too. Or that way. Yeah. We're not quite to Whitney, but I know it's coming. Okay, hey, we're in Lone Pine, and I'm not exactly sure which peak is Whitney, but given the videos I've seen, I want to say, let me see if I can zoom in on it. I want to say that's Whitney, set back. But it's hard to tell, because I'm on the Lone Pine side and not on the PCT side. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. It might be a little bit that way. It might be somewhere over here. I'd just be curious to see what you guys say. All right. We're gonna blow through town. I still haven't seen any hikers. It's very strange. Say hi to Tammy. Hi, Tammy. Looking at this kiosk board, we guessed the right one. That it was Whitney. That was Whitney, see? Hey everybody, we're home now. Now we're unpacking, washing, and get ready to go back to everyday life, which is work unless another lockdown happens. I'm glad we got a chance to get out before everything went crazy again, although the cases started to, we were watching the news, every area that we were in, it seems like everything's on the uptick again. So we're home and in the heat. Yeah. So in regards to future hiking videos, it's gonna either, I'm gonna go somewhere where it's cooler so we can hike and show you that, or we're gonna wait until season, which is the cooler months down where I live. I have other projects, as you can see, and I'll keep putting stuff up there. But I hope you enjoyed the road trip. We certainly enjoyed doing it. We'll talk to you next time.